A prominent prophet in Ndlovu has predicted a possible coup, warning that Zimbabwe's deepening power struggle could escalate. Sana pana mashoko atikuona kuti aiwa eto prophet panapa uya achipredicta achiti vakomana zvamuri kuona zviri kuitika izvi, vakomana mawo veterans, vakomana veZDF nekumwe opposition, zviri kuitika izvi zvogona kukonzeresa ecoup. Sana pana mashoko amudanyorwa panapa tobana kuti subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Timina mnamo budami kwa mchenzi. Today's fierce power struggles between President Edi Mnangagwa and his deputy VP Chiwenga. This clash could lead to a dramatic political shutdown. Ndlovu's prophecy comes amid the reports that a group of high-ranking security officials and war veterans held a secret meeting this week to strategize on blocking Mnangagwa's attempts to extend his rule beyond his current term through a G28 agenda. In a video now going viral on social media, Ndlovu issued a cryptic but ominous warning. We must continue to pray for our nation. Two trains are set to collide. I personally pray for peace for all ordinary Zimbabweans, but change must not be stopped in whatever form it needs to come. Reports indicate that a powerful faction of military and war veterans is handled by Mnangagwa's growing authoritarian grip, recently conveyed at a secret location in Mashonaland Central. The province, historically known as a hub for political coups, has long been a stronghold for anti-Mnangagwa elements within ZANU-PF and the military. A close source to the group emphasized that their patience with Mnangagwa's maneuvers was running out. In quotes, you hear what credible war veterans like Blessing Geza are saying. He is not hallucinating, he is communicating a message from the script, and you must listen to him carefully. Mnangagwa's state consolidation of power is intensifying tension with Chiwenga's loyalists in a military, many of whom believe the vice president is the rightful heir to the presidency. That prophecy irikuonekwa panapa nemukomana anonzi Ndlovu achituma trains achikolida panapa taona kuti aiwa ari kuita achizadzisa zviitiko zviri kuitika nyika yeZimbabwe. Vanhu vachiona kuti aiwa kwatiri kuenda zvako hapana kwatichasvika kunganzi kure, but kune chiitiko chichaitika chichashamisa vanhu. Tudze mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi? Pinda kunesection yedu, subscribe or like.